Hi everybody, it's Mary. I wanted to come on today to do this quick video to talk to you about Prosperity People System. Um, I don't know if you are into high ticket programs. This program is just simply amazing. It has different levels all the way from $500 up to $11,000. And I came in at the $7,500 level because at that level, it has allowed me to quit my job, earn more money, be my own boss, and most people, that's what they want to do when they come into a business, is look for an option to maybe stay at home, travel more, whatever their choices are. Um, this program is going to allow you to do that. It is just one of the simplest programs around. The marketing system is amazing. We have all kinds of tools and tricks to help you get the people that you want involved with this program. And I can't say enough about it. We do have a 48-hour action takers bonus. So I'm going to leave my link to my website down below. And if I could get you to like my videos and comment on my videos and subscribe, especially. I'm just new, starting out here, and I'd like all the subscribers that I can get. Every little bit helps, but yes. Anyway, Prosperity People System, it's, there's no one-ups with this program. It is a member-to-member payment plan. So when you join, that member is going to send you the funds directly. You just let them know how you want to receive your funds. Get them started. Let's get people involved in this. This is just, like I said, a totally amazing program. And when you join my team, I'm going to throw in some bonuses, but I'm not going to tell you what those bonuses are right now because there's a lot of competition out there. But I have a really good plan for you, and I really am looking forward for you to join my team. So anyway, Prosperity People System. My website is ablessingeveryday.com, and I really want you to take a look at this because this program is really changing people's lives, and it is just, like I said, so simple to do. There's nothing to it, and it's got some life-changing income that can be made when you join this program. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you come on board. I will give you all the ins and outs. I'll give you all my little tricks and help you get to where you want to be financially. So this program is just super awesome, and I hope you take advantage of it. And I'm looking forward to welcoming you on board. Sorry, my hair's in my way. And anyway, getting you started. So let's get you signed up, get your website going. I can help you set all that up in the back office and get you on the ball, so you're not gonna waste any time getting new prospects and new people to join you. So yes, let's just do this, and I look forward to seeing you in my group and welcome you aboard. So anyway, have a great day. This is Prosperity People System, and again, free upgrade for the 48-hour action bonus. You don't want to miss out on that. I don't know how long it's going to be around, but I urge you to go ahead and jump on board with that, because that is really saving you a lot of money, and you get that free upgrade to the next level. And this way, when you do get upgraded, you don't miss out on any of the funds. So like if somebody comes in at a say you're at 11,000 and somebody comes in at one of the lower levels, you're not going to miss out on any payments. But if you're coming in at the $500 level and somebody comes up like in at the $7,500 level, you're going to lose out on that money, and it's going to get passed up to your sponsor. So I urge you to come in where you can fit in. The main thing is just to get started, and I'm willing to help work with you and get you on the ball. So I'm going to welcome you aboard, and I look forward to seeing you and getting to know you, and let's get you on your way to making the income that you deserve and that you desire, and to set you free. So anyway, thank you for watching my video, and like I said, subscribe to my channel, please, and then hit the like button and the notification, so that way you can get notified every time I upload another video, which I'm getting a little bit better at doing. But anyway, thank you for your time, and I will talk to you later.